Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And I'm just going to scribe in this line. And if you don't have a stencil like this, just draw out the shape of the ring that you want and you can go from there. I will take off this bit by filing, but these lumps are a bit bigger, so I will use my saw blade for this. And I will keep my saw blade straight. And I won't saw exactly to the line, I will stay a bit away from it. But if I take this out by using the saw blade, it will save me some work. Now I'm going to take out a bit of the sides, and I'm still following that oval shape. Now I'm going to round out the side, still following the oval shape. And this is how you can shape any ring into any shape that you would like. And I'm off to round off the rest of the ring as well. And after gently heating it up, this is the end result. As you can see, a beautiful signet ring with a nice and shiny color. And you can use every shape you want to make this signet ring. And in one of my upcoming tutorials, I will show you how this one looks when it is casted by a caster. So I'll get back to you on this one.